Hey there, car enthusiasts. Ever wondered which cars are the easiest for some good old DIY maintenance? Well, today I'm going to break it down for you. Grab your wrench and let's get started. First up, the king of DIY-friendly cars, the Honda Civic. This beauty has been a favorite for decades, and for good reason. Its simple design and widely available parts make it a dream to work on. From oil changes to brake jobs, you can do it all with just basic tools. And trust me, you'll save a ton on labor costs. Next on the list, the Jeep Wrangler. If you're into off-roading, this one's for you. The Wrangler's rugged build isn't just for show. It's designed to be easily repaired in the middle of nowhere. With its modular components, you can swap out parts like Lego bricks. Plus, there's a huge community of Jeep enthusiasts ready to share tips and tricks. Now, let's not forget the Toyota Corolla. Known for its reliability, the Corolla is also incredibly easy to maintain. The engine bay is spacious enough to fit your hands comfortably, and parts are super affordable. Whether you're changing the air filter or replacing the spark plugs, the Corolla won't give you any headaches. Moving on, we have the Ford Mustang. This American classic is not just about muscle and speed, it's also pretty straightforward to work on. With a huge aftermarket scene, finding parts and tutorials is a breeze. Want to upgrade your exhaust or install a new stereo? The Mustang makes it easy. And last but not least, the Subaru Outback. If you're an adventure lover, the Outback is your go-to. Its design is not overly complex, and Subaru's Boxer engine layout is surprisingly accessible. Routine maintenance tasks like oil changes and belt replacements are well within reach. So there you have it. Whether you're a seasoned gearhead or just starting out, these cars will make your DIY projects a whole lot easier. Remember, working on your car not only saves you money, but also gives you a deeper connection with your ride. So get out there and get your hands dirty. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more car tips and tricks. See you next time.